While doing research about the Honda Prelude, I came across this website called procarmanuals.com, and I feel that it's an excellent resource for anyone who is interested in repairing the vehicles by themselves. And the good thing about this website is that it's not just for older vehicles, it's even got instruction manuals and workshop repair manuals for cars even up until the mid 2000s. However, don't expect to find very detailed instruction manuals for the recent vehicles because I don't think manufacturers release that kind of information anymore. But if you do own an older vehicle, yeah, you will find some quite detailed stuff.